we need to find a safe, workable vaccine. Last month, I announced a new vaccine task force to coordinate the efforts of government, academia, and industry in the critical mission to find a vaccine. I'm very proud of how quickly our scientists and researchers have come together in their efforts to develop a vaccine that will combat coronavirus. Their work has meant that two of the world's frontrunners to develop a vaccine are right here in the UK, at the University of Oxford and Imperial College London. The first clinical trial of the Oxford vaccine is progressing well, with all phase 1 participants having received their vaccine dose on schedule earlier this week. They're now being monitored closely by the clinical trial team. The speed at which Oxford University has designed and organized these complex trials is genuinely unprecedented. Imperial College are also making good progress, and we will be looking to move into clinical trials by mid-June, with larger scale trials planned to begin in October. So far, the government has invested £47 million in the Oxford and Imperial vaccine programs. But today, I can announce an additional £84 million of new government funding to help accelerate their work. This new money will help mass produce the Oxford vaccine so that if current trials are successful, we have dosages to start vaccinating the UK population straight away. The funding will also allow Imperial to launch phase 3 clinical trials for its vaccine later this year. I can also confirm that with government support, Oxford University has finalised a global licensing agreement with AstraZeneca for the commercialisation and manufacturing of the Oxford vaccine. This means that if the vaccine is successful, AstraZeneca will work to make 30 million doses available by September for the UK, as part of an agreement at over 100 million doses in total. The UK will be first to get access. And we can also ensure that in addition to supporting people here in the UK, we're able to make the vaccine available to developing countries at the lowest possible cost. To further support our domestic manufacturing capability, last month I announced that the government will accelerate building the UK's first vaccines manufacturing innovation centre, which is based at Harwell in Oxfordshire. And today, I can announce that we will invest up to a further £93 million in the centre, ensuring that it opens in summer 2021, a full 12 months ahead of schedule. The centre, which is already under construction, will have capacity to produce enough vaccine doses to serve the entire UK population in as little as 6 months. But if, and it is a big if, a successful vaccine is available later this year, we will need to be in a position to manufacture it at scale and quickly. So whilst the centre is being built, the government will establish a rapid deployment facility thanks to a further investment of £38 million to begin coronavirus vaccine manufacturing at scale from this summer. This facility will support efforts to ensure a vaccine is widely available for the UK public as soon as possible. In total, the government has now committed over £250 million towards developing a vaccine in the UK. But there are no certainties. In spite of the tireless efforts of our scientists, it is possible that we may never find a successful coronavirus vaccine. So we also need to look at other drug treatments and therapeutics for those who get the virus. Treatments that could prevent people progressing to severe illness or help save lives of those with serious symptoms. Whilst there are currently no drugs in the world that have been clinically proven to treat coronavirus, the government is working with our scientists and medical experts to identify promising candidates. This collaborative UK programme, known as Accord, aims to get an early indication of drug treatment's effectiveness in treating coronavirus. And today, I can report that 6 drugs have now entered initial live clinical trials. If positive results are seen, they will advance into larger scale trials. Our scientists are working tirelessly to develop vaccines and drug treatments, condensing work that would usually take years into months and even weeks. Their drive and dedication inspires us all. And with their help, we will overcome coronavirus.